Hello. We have a very long word today, and that is why I have a very big piece of paper here. We are going to do the word pileated woodpecker, Claire's nature name. It is 2 words, 1, 2. Pileated woodpecker. Let's start with pileated. P, p, p. What letter do you think that is? P, p, P. Straight line down and a bump at the top. P. Next comes a I. A straight line down, little line at the top, little line at the bottom. Next comes a L. Straight line down, line at the bottom. An E. A straight line down, line at the top, line in the middle, line at the bottom. Now next comes an A. You don't really hear it because it's giving all of its power to the E, so the E will say its name, E, instead of its other sound, eh. So an A is a mountain with a bridge. Next comes pileated T. Straight line down and a line across the top. Then comes a E, straight line down, line at the top, line in the middle, line at the bottom, and a D. Straight line down and a big bump from the top to the bottom. That says pileated. Long word. Now here comes another long word. Woodpecker. W. Down, up, down, up. Woodpecker. W. Now comes 2 O's. 2 circles. O. O. And then wood. D. Straight line down. Bump from the top to the bottom. That says wood. Now we need pecker. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to write smaller. I'm running out of space. I will write smaller. Pecker is a P. Straight line down. Bump at the top. E. Straight line down. Line at the top. Line in the middle. Line at the bottom. K. 2 letters together are saying K. The C and the K. Straight line down. Kick in, kick out. Uh-oh. I'm really have to write small. Look at this little space I got left. Pecker. Is an E, then an R. I have to put a little E and then an R with a bump and kick out. Well, that looks funny. That's what I had to do to fit it all in. Pileated woodpecker. That is a lot of letters. And now we will do the sounds those letters make. That ought to be interesting. Here comes the letter P. It says p, like penguin. Let's draw a little penguin here. Little wings. And some feet. And some eyes. And I'll make a nice little beak. That doesn't look like the right color. Wait a minute. There. P, penguin. Igloo. Here's my igloo. Now, I is a special kind of letter called a vowel. And vowels are special because you have to have a vowel in order to make a word. They also have 2 sounds. One of the sounds is saying their name. So I does say I, like ice cream. And it also says like igloo. Here's my ice cream. Here's my ice cream cone. And let's make it a strawberry ice cream. Big fluffy strawberry ice cream. Igloo and ice cream. Now L says like lion or lollipop or leaf. I will draw a leaf. Here is my leaf. That's awfully interesting. There we go. We're going to call that a leaf. Next comes E. It is also a vowel, just like I is a vowel. And E says eh, like egg. And it also can say its name, like, what is a E word that says its name? Easter. Easter starts with E, but I'm just going to draw an egg. Now comes a apple. And I found my red marker so I can make a nice red apple. Apple. And turtle. Let's see, here's my little turtle head and the little legs. Let's give it a nice turtle shell. Boop. And my little turtle needs a tail. Little tail and a little eyes. Boop, boop. I don't know if you can see that, but there's my turtle. Now here's another E. Egg. My egg. Now we have the D. Dog. Let's draw a dog face. Here it is, and here are the floppy ears. And I will use my black marker to make 2 eyes, a nose, and a little doggy mouth. Dog. Pileated. Now, woodpecker. Waves of water. Or a window. I'm going to draw waves of water. Now, instead of drawing 2 octopuses, I am just going to, well, maybe I will draw 2. All right, here we go. Ready? Ooh, that doesn't work. How many legs does an octopus have? 8. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's my other octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they both need faces. Eyes and a mouth. Eyes and a mouth, even though that's not really what octopuses look like. Dog. Another dog with floppy ears and a little happy face. Boop, 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 boop. Looks a little like Callie. And look, another P. Penguin. Another happy penguin. Pileated woodpecker. 2 P's. And a little beak for my woodpecker. And now we have an egg. Egg. Whoop. And now C. Cat. I will draw a black cat with pointy ears. Boop, boop. There's the whiskers. Little cat face. K. Key. See if I can draw a key. Here is the teeth to the key. There's my key. And also is kite. Kite. I will draw a kite here. A long tail. And some ribbons on it. Key. Key. Kite. Now there's another E. They're getting small. I will put my other egg up here. Egg. And R, rainbow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Ooh, I'm going to run out of room mighty quick, aren't I? Green. I think that's all I have space for. Rainbow. Oh my goodness, you ready for the big job of going through this whole long 2 words? Let's do it. Penguin. Igloo. Leaf. Egg. Apple. T, turtle. E, egg. D, dog. W, water. O, octopus. O, octopus. D, dog. P, penguin. E, egg. C, cat. K, key, kite. E, egg. R, rainbow. Pileated woodpecker. Whew, that was a long one.